Hello my dear English learner, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Guys, those time I am trying to learning English, I am finding so many more videos on YouTube channel because I am finding so many channels and did not find exactly point how to start speaking English. What are the best level to start speaking English, because I am not an English medium student, but I am literally it's very challenging for me also. But I am facing so many problems and I did not find actually how to speak English. After that I will set my goals. I am guaranteed speak English. Then I am 2 days 3 days and thinking and actually how to speak English, and I make a notes. I open a diary books and write down my goals. Then I speak English. I guarantee speak English in 21 days. I guarantee build my confidence. I did not know anything but I am still speaking English. My routine is completed. I make a routine for myself in my diary book and put my goals. Actually is in the end of the month in totally suppose 30 days I'll speak English and I'll fluent in English in 21 days. Then how can it possible? I make my notes. The first important thing is I am make a notes and open my diary books and write down my goals. Write down my goals in whole 21 days, what to do in whole 21 days. I make a proper and secret plan. And first day I am write down my goals. Whatever I'm doing, first thing is I am thinking English and then still little bit write down also. I am thinking what are the topic. I did not know any English language, then how can I speak English? Then I think choose a topic. Choose a topic, like for example do not any topic, did not any topic I find, but how can I speak English? Yes, daily routine is the most easiest way I can start my English speaking also. Daily routine, whatever anything. I am woke up at the 6 p.m. clock, and after that I can after that make my beds and stay something my beds. After that I take a toothpaste and teeth my brush, and after that drink a glass of water. After that take the showers complete. After showers I take my breakfast and wear my company uniform. Then you can go my company. My company start from 8 a.m. and end from 4 p.m. and is always completed. I am starting period. I am starting first day. I am making routines and practice them at least 1 hour. I am practice them. How to express them, how to practice them. I am gonna practice them. After that, what to do? I'm trying to. I practice them. I practice them my routine. Then what to do? Next thing, I'm watching many more English videos. Those videos are in only English language. Those are talking in Hindi or any other language, but those you are listening this type of language, you can to improve your English quickly. Those time you watching this type of videos, those are speaking in English languages with subtitles, you will quickly acquainted and quickly improve your English communication also. I will guarantee, because it is the real fact. It is the real fact. I am using it also. You can use it. I will guarantee you speak English. After that, what to do? I am thinking and make my goals. I am practice daily routine and watch some videos, English videos every day. Now after that, what to do? I think join any application, like for that any free application, because many more free application here. You can did not pay this. Many more free application there, you can talk them in English. I joining one of the application. This application name is SC Fluency. The most benefits as for all, it completely free. You can suddenly I'm searching how to install the SC Fluency app, and I'm install them SC Fluency app. I can trying to conversation. First I'm calling to one of the friend. He the friend, yes, he is speaking my calls. He is take my calls and I will conversation with them. First starting my introduction, it's very crazy. First day I'm very nervous. I cannot able to speak English. That time I'm starting my conversation. How are you? What's your name? What to do? What's your hobby? What's your day going? I speak, but that time I'm very nervous. I cannot able to speak English. But I'm very little bit nervous. I am fear also. Any mistake, then he is laughing me. But it will not happen. I am doing some mistake. But every time this type of activities I am practicing. Continue 5 days. Continue 5 days. After that, to 6 days and 7 days. I build automatically my confidence, but I don't know how is build my confidence in only 7 days. Automatically confidence. I am daily conversation with them in English and joining group conversation chat. Any of the 4 or 5 members are connected with them. You can practice them in only English language. You can try to introduce yourself. What your dream job? What's your hobbies? What's your future plan? What to do next? How to do you relax? See everything. You can choose whatever any topic practice. After that I will practice in 10 to 15 days. But it totally build my confidence and able to speak English competitive. Now I will take this now I will take decision. Then I will create a YouTube channel and upload my videos and tell me to my viewers. Then those are trying to really struggling for learning English, how to can speak English. This is the real fact. You can track them. I will guarantee able to speak English. I'm also using this strategy. This is also my story also, because I'm using these rules. This is a real fact. You are not English medium student, but don't be panic. You are speaking English. I hope this video is helpful to you. Then really helpful. Please friend, connect with me and subscribe this channel. I'll waiting for your like and comments. Thank you so much. Take care yourself. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep practicing. Take care.